Hi everyone and welcome to Ankita's Vanity. I am Ankita and I'm so excited to share my passion for beauty and home decor with you. Today I will be showing you my everyday makeup routine, which is quick, simple and perfect for any occasion and office wear. I will be using easily available products to create a natural radiant look that enhance your best features. First, I will start with a moisturizer to hydrate my skin and create a smooth base for my makeup. Then I will apply a light foundation and concealer to even out my skin tone and cover any blemishes or dark circles. Foundation for a natural flawless finish. I like to use a liquid foundation, but you can also use a powder or cream foundation depending on your preference. Now taking a small amount of foundation and dab it onto your face using brush, sponge or your fingers. Be sure to blend it in evenly. Remember to focus on areas that need extra coverage, such as under eyes or around the nose. You can also apply a second layer if you need more coverage. Today I am going to show you a fun and versatile makeup hack. Using lip and cheek tint as eyeshadow, blush and lip tint. This is a herb-based lip and cheek tint that I love using. Not only is it a great lip tint and blush, but it can also be used as an eyeshadow. If you are looking for a matching lip tint, just apply a small amount onto your lips and blend it out with your fingers. The formula is hydrating and long lasting, and the color can be built up for a more dramatic look. Also be using eyeliner and mascara to define my lashes and make my eyes pop. And there you have it. My everyday makeup routine is that simple, easy and perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and learning a little bit more about me and my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification for more beauty and home decor content from Ankita's Vanity. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.